So we could be on the cusp of a reverse market crash, aka final melt up, the final big, fat, juicy, thick, yummy leg of the market cycle with a perfect storm of events brewing right now for the cryptocurrency markets. It's actually pretty shocking when we get into it. And let's just go ahead and do that. Get the heck into it. So this guy summed it up pretty well over here. We got some huge stuff going on here, okay? World's two biggest economies, USA and China. Aggressive rate cuts have started. China is going like hardcore into rate cuts. USA is going hardcore into rate cuts. This means that money in the world's two biggest economies just got cheaper. China is injecting over 2 trillion yuan. It's about a $250 million US worth of stimulus to boost its economy. Chinese economists, prominent Chinese economists, have been calling for as much as 1.4 trillion US to inject into the economy. We shall see if that plays out or not. This could just be the first tranche of massive money injection. China's going to start handing out stimulus checks. And of course, when people in China start getting their hands on stimulus checks, you know what they're going to buy? Mudang, the baby hippo, man. Baby hippo coin. I have no idea if they're going to buy that, but some of that money is going to go into some pretty stupid stuff. Let's just say that. Chinese stocks had their best week since 2008 due to, of course, the massive government intervention in the economy. U.S. stocks at all-time highs, probably going to push up higher. S&P 500 could get up to 62 to 6,400 by the end of this wild run that we've been on. October's coming. October is usually one of the best months of the year. Q4 is usually the best quarter of the year. Okay, U.S. elections are coming up. Historically, U.S. elections have been a major turning point for markets where we see, huge continuation higher. So many good things happening out there. 6 months post Bitcoin halving. How about that? Okay. A lot of good stuff. Even the FTX money is coming back. However, a little nuance with this story, but we're seeing this story get reported that next Monday, the FTX money is going to start coming back to creditors. That's not exactly correct, okay? So this guy here is saying October 7th, the crucial court hearing will take place, confirm FTX's Chapter 11 reorganization plan. If approved, it will pave the way for payments to begin. Post-hearing payments are expected to occur following additional hearings scheduled for October 22nd, November 20th, and December 12th. Distribution would start within 60 days of the plan becoming effective, but only for claimants of less than $50,000. Bigger claimants will get distributions in Q1 2025 at the earliest. Other hearings are separate. So the money is coming. And maybe the FTX money will even, in a way, mark the top of the market. It's like, we'll see. There's always a top event, isn't there? The one that everybody assumes is going to be like, yeah, this is going to be the one, man. And hey, if you have your money stuck in FTX, screw Sam Bankman-Fried, that piece of crap. What a dumbass. All the dude had to do was just keep running his exchange, man. They're making millions of dollars a day in fees. It was one of the most popular exchanges out there. Nope, had just put his let's just say, I was going to say something dirtier, but let's just say to put his finger in too many pies. Anyway, let's continue. The price of Bitcoin still over the 200-day, still moving average, light blue line in the chart here. That's a good thing. We like that. Could still see a retest of this area down here. Wouldn't blow my mind at all. Would even be a bit healthy, to be honest. But will we get it? Don't know. We'll see what happens over the next few days. Before we get into the next few charts, I want to share this with you. If you're a cryptocurrency trader, you got yourself an account over at Bybit. It is the best damn place to be trading cryptos, where I do most of my crypto trading these days. And they've got a great deal for you. You can get yourself a $500 free position. You heard that right. So that can be denominated in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Pepe, Doge, a few other coins here as well. All you have to do to claim this free $500 position, sign up using the link down below in the description. That's one. Number two, deposit $100 or more. 3, claim your free trade. It's that simple. Check it out if you are a cryptocurrency trader. This one's great. The mid-curve meme. I feel like there's no place in crypto for mid-curvers. The apes, so we're going to 250K. The wizards, we're going to 250K. The mid-curvers, imagine thinking $250,000 is realistic. Mid-curvers, get out of here. Great chart here from Crypto R Us. Peak to peak, 1,430, 5 days. If this remains true, which is probably not going to remain true, but if it remains true, then in 383 days, a single Bitcoin costs upwards of $210,000, which lines up with the 3.618 Fibonacci lines. I like it. Now, will that Bitcoin 4-year cycle, essentially, is what this is saying. Will the 4-year cycle actually play out, or will we get an early cycle top? I still have this feeling like maybe March, April, and I don't know. We'll adjust our opinion if we, as we see what the charts are showing us and what's actually happening in the market. Maybe we get a weekly MACD bear cross in March, April, and it's time to get the heck out of the markets, right? We'll watch out for these sort of things to be playing out, but maybe we get a first top in March or April and a final top in October, November, right? The usual summer malaise for the markets. Anyway, 210K, I dig it, man. I dig it. Titan of crypto, green light for the next major move. Confluences are, well, confluencing, I guess. They are aligning together. So stochastic down here starting to trend up. Of course, you can see the RSI breaking out of the downtrend. This is on the weekly chart. We talked about this stuff. 50-week simple moving average acted as support. We are bouncing higher off of that currently. First stop, 100K. Second stop, 150K. Last stop, if we get there, $200,000 or a little bit over, around $215,000. Of course, our W chart here could bring us up to retest that previous high at 74K. Still looking solid. Retest down here at 64K would be fine. So don't be surprised that happens. Now let's talk about some altcoin news. Sweet. Big unlock happening. How much of an unlock? $100 million worth of unlock. That's a lot of coins, man. That's a lot of coins. 64 million SWI are going to be unlocked into the markets. It's a lot of coins, man. A lot of coins. Now, that's got me thinking. You see, right now, we've been kind of consolidating here after this big run to $1.78 recently. Of course, we had that very overbought RSI, so maybe we cool off a little bit with that unlock coming. Maybe it brings us back down to $1.45 or even to a lower target around $1.20. Probably an interesting area to be accumulating in down there. Of course, if markets just switch mega uber bullish and everyone is just, screaming new paradigm of money about everything, yeah, maybe the unlock doesn't really matter all that much. But there's potential the unlock could see a bit of, let's say, price correction coming into the market potentially. So something to watch out for. Avalanche, my Avalanche bags. What is up? If you ever want to see what my portfolio holdings are, current holdings, private sale investments, all the other stuff, you can find a link to that down below in the description, pinned comment over on X as well. Plus, you'll find a risk statement on that page because guess what? Investing in crypto is risky. You can lose all of your money. Like that. It's a crazy market. Anyway, Avalanche, Retro 9000, up to $40 million in retroactive grants for Avalanche Layer 1s. Avalanche 9000. It's going to be a massive, massive upgrade for the network, make it so much easier to launch those Layer 1 networks and just a lot of fine tuning to make Avalanche way cooler. So with Off the Grid launching, that's that super hot looking game coming up here pretty soon. Off the Grid's coming up. It's launching in the next 6 to 8 weeks. I've seen some rumors saying. So that'll be pretty cool. Of course, they got a big investment from, I think it was Delphi Digital the other day. So a lot of excitement around that, which of course is an Avalanche Layer 1 built on Avalanche. And we're seeing so many other big things lining up for Avalanche that it remains, I think, a key Layer 1 bet for this market cycle. At least I got my coins allocated. This meme hits hard. I like men who take risks. When I'm in profit, I take a screenshot and post it on X instead of selling. Guys, the screenshots aren't worth shit. Remember to sell. Put some actual money in your bank account at some point during this bull run, okay? Okay. This is crazy, too. 6 out of the top 11 coins in terms of volume are freaking meme coins, dudes. Dudes. Bitcoin, Ethereum, top 2 spots, of course. Pepe, $4.7 billion in volume. How weird this market is. Again, it just blows my mind. It must approximately still be currently. I haven't looked at the exact numbers today, but Aave and MakerDAO, the 2 most important money protocols in the entire cryptocurrency market, combined are worth less than Pepe, a frog coin. That's ridiculous. Solana here in third place. XRP still getting some pretty good volume, actually, $2.6 billion. Dogecoin, the OG, of course. Pepe doing twice the volume of that, though. Ouch. Shib's been getting some attention recently. Sui, of course. Everyone's very excited about that recently. With not Bonk. That's insane. You know, a lot of people are like, oh, memes are dumb. And yeah, I mean, memes are kind of dumb sometimes. And everyone this week is just, going crazy over a baby hippo meme. Anyway, they are kind of silly. They are. Tokenized culture, whatever you want to call it. The truth is, people love buying this shit. People love trading this shit. And you can either understand that or ignore that. And at some point, fundamental coins will catch up. But memes have just been so normie friendly. People love them. There's nothing to understand. You don't need to understand complicated tokenomics. You don't need to understand what oracles do or what CCIP does, or you just buy. It's got a dog picture. I like dog. They put a hat on this one. That's really cool. I'm gonna buy that one. Speaking of dogs, Elon Musk, Doge, Department of Government Efficiency. Elon is back to Doge posting. And apparently Trump reshared that or put it on his Truth Social website. Whatever. Anyway, if Elon goes full Doge memeing again, watch out, guys. When the normies come back, see, everybody who's been in crypto for a while, we see Elon doing this. We're just like, whatever, shut up, Elon. Nobody cares. When the normies come back, and they're far from back yet, okay? Coinbase is still number 400 on the App Store or something, all right? But when the normies come back, when the price goes up, when we hit beyond 74K and number go up, technology gets activated, and people start getting really excited about crypto again, then stuff like this can really have a big impact, because people say, holy crap, Elon Musk is tweeting about Dogecoin. I better go buy some at $1. This meme, hilarious. Talking about Mudang. It was alpha. Mudang at $300 million was alpha. It's going to bring TikTok to crypto. Be honest, I just wanted exit liquidity. Thank you. Baby hippo meme. Crazy stuff, man. Hey, speaking of silly memes, smoking chicken fish, mom. Arthur Hayes is on, man. He has been bathed in the broth. And the sig stays lit, my friends. You guys know we talked about smoking chicken fish a while back. I'm still holding my smoking chicken fish bags because it's a hilarious meme, and it's probably going to go a lot higher than people think, because it's so left curve. It's so dumb that it's probably going to work. That's my hope anyway. Yeah, sweet 10x on that bad boy. Then I don't know. Dad's going to buy himself a new Tesla and name it smoking chicken fish. The Emma Stone thing. This will never not be funny. When Emma Stone said, people on the internet say I look like the smoking chicken fish. It's like, you kind of do, Emma. You kind of do. And that's hilarious. Oh, hey guys, if you're not signed up to the newsletter yet, get signed up to the newsletter. It's absolutely awesome. You'll love it. Over 145,000 people a week reading this bad boy, and you can be one of those people getting the latest on meme coins, altcoin deep dives, charts, technical analysis, and much, much more straight to your inbox 3 times per week. Plus, we have courses. Plus, we have a Discord community. We have all kinds of cool stuff. Go and check it out. Link down below in the description. That's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.